everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm playing a game called, it's called Airplane Helicopter. Yes, Airplane Helicopter. So let's go in this game, and I've played this game. This is my first time. Okay, so which one am I going to? I think Dutch. Play. I'm not going to play it. Okay. See, I told you. Oh, you have to. Oh, okay. So you can change it from here. So there. Okay, my turn. Head towards the what? Oh, they're going straight. Great. Oh, I'm here. That's the oh my God, guys, look at that boat. Oh my. I'm hoping you guys. Come on, guys, get in. Get in, everyone. Get in. Hurry. I don't have time. Hurry. Yay. Now fly. I'm about to copy. Wait. Plane. Good. Let's retry it. Okay, so. Let's take off. Head toward the radar. Oh, that. Okay, I know. Oh my God! 5 meters. 5 meters. 3 meters. Wow. 1 meter. 1 meter. 1 meter. Yeah. Come on, guys. Let's go. Hurry. And I think, so there. Gosh. Landing gears check. Landing gears check. Oh, that was a close one. I think I don't know. No. Guys, so hard to complete. That was a good one. Flight complete. Yeah, flight complete. Let's go level 2. Good job. No time to rest towards pretty. Oh, never mind. I just wasted. Okay. Take off. I'm the wrong way. So we're heading to south. Yeah, we're heading to south. Okay, buddy. Okay. Alright, we're almost there, and we're here. Oh dear. Oh no. Hey, of course there. Oh no, oh, that's how you reverse gear. Get it. Okay, good. Let's go. Hey guys, I'm here. Come on, what are you doing? Get in here. Good. Everyone's rescued. Fly them to safety. Alright. Oh, that was close. Okay, so you turn. And just turn. Oh, man.
Emergency 755 got centered out on 127.907.
We're heading to north. God. Okay, I think we have to. Oh no. Oh dear, we have to do it.
Counter 502 Golf Charlie center right.
Oh man. Yeah, I did it. Very good. Hopefully, sometimes going to get a little windy. You'll have to account for that was performing that rescue. Okay. Come on. Okay, so I think
North 320 Mike, contact center 126.82.
let's take off this plane. Then this plane is so fast, guys, and we're heading to south again. Good.
Oh, 431 contact center on 126.82.
Oh, that's 9, 6 meter, 1 meter, 3 whatever. Oh, it's over there. Got it. Oh, oh no. Holy shit. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Come on. Come on, I can do this.
Yes, sir, 34, 13 degrees right vector
I
traffic.
can do this. Come on. The landing gears. Put the landing gears. Oh, good. Now you did. Everyone in the plane, to the rescue. Yay. Oh, you're so slowly. So, oh no, that's a quick tool. So, oh no, oh no, that was oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh no, I was getting confused. I have to rescue them again. Let's get. This plane is so fast. Let's take off there now. Almost there, guys. Okay, to the rescue. Oh my god. That's the tricky part. Hey guys. Hey guys, I will rescue you. I will rescue you. Get in this plane. Hurry, fast. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Holy moly. This is... Oh no, hurry. I'm running out of the board. Okay. Just go. To and go. Whew. Phew. And then
513 contact center on 126.82.
I'm landing gears. Check. Clear to land. Yes, clear for landing. Yes, clear. sure. Never mind. What is that? I hate that. Really. Okay. Tango. Dingo. Steady. Ready to go. Damn. Boom. Let's go to the sky. Oh no, it's over here. Oh no. Ah. Let's put that down, down, down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys. This is weird. Come on, mobile strike. Oh man.
Yes, sir. 34 turn 10 degree right back.
Okay guys, this is pretty much for today. And make sure to subscribe and leave a comment. I subscribed. And leave a big fat thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.